What is going on, guys? Justin here, update back again with another video, and today we are back to talk about Nocta. That is right, they are back again. As you guys have seen this past weekend, the Cardinal stock collection is going to be coming out May 20th. So in today's video, we're going to go over the collection, prices, where to cop, all that good stuff. And I'm also going to talk about my opinion on Nocta, where it's headed, how's it going so far, the Cardinal stock collection, and all that good stuff. So without further ado, guys, let's hop straight into today's video. So kicking things off with the collection, we have the two hoodies. We got the navy and the gray. Out of the two hoodies, I'd probably go with that navy. The navy actually is a pretty nice blue. It's not too dark, but it's not too bright. I really like the color, especially the contrast with the white lettering on the swoosh, the Nocta, and the logos on the back. So I definitely would pick up that navy one over the gray for sure. But of course, we have the gray hoodie as well. Those two hoodies are going to come at 150 Canadian dollars. Then moving right along, we have a navy blue t-shirt to match, again with the white fonts. I really do like that. And instead of a gray tee, we have a white tee. We already had a couple white Nocta tees, so this one's nothing too crazy, but those are $55 Canadian each. And then to match the hoodie, we have the navy pants, but no gray pants, which I find is really weird. I don't know why they wouldn't throw in a gray sweats to match the hoodie. Doesn't make sense to me. But anyways, the pants are $130. The sweatsuit with the full navy, definitely a proper fit. And then last but not least, we have the two hats, the navy hat and the white hat. I do really like these hat colorways, and I probably would choose these two over the past two that have already dropped. Very, very nice. Those are $38 Canadian. Now, if you do want to get anything you just saw on screen, you're gonna have to head to the same places from the last drop, whether it's Kith, Sneakers app, probably the best place, officialnocta.com. And honestly, a ton of retailers are getting this stuff. If you're in Toronto, I know Nomad gets it, Capsule, the same boutiques that you guys are used to getting your Nocta from already from the past two drops. Now with the Cardinal stock collection, it really isn't much. There's only two hoodies, pants, two tees, and two hats. It's really not a big collection and a big capsule like we're used to. The last two drops definitely had a lot more to it and probably a lot more hype. This is coming out of nowhere. No one knew that the Cardinal stock collection was coming up this quick, so there isn't too much hype on the collection. Honestly, it should be a pretty easy cop. Now, in my opinion, my thoughts on the collection, I am really not a fan. It is just the same simple, basic tracksuits and sweatsuits and t-shirts and hats that we've seen from the collection already. Nothing too new and out of the ordinary. For me to go fork up that money and cop a blue hoodie or a gray hoodie, it really doesn't make sense for me. But again, for you guys, if you guys need that essential hoodie in the gray or the navy colorway, this is probably the one to go for. Especially for a lot of people who already balled out on the collection in the past, getting all the sweatsuits and hoodies already. You guys are probably feeling the same way and don't want to pick up another sweatsuit. Now, as I'm recording this, Drake hasn't posted shit about it. No one in the OVO crew has posted anything. I haven't seen any of them wearing this collection, so pretty weird. If I'm being completely honest with you guys, I am totally not feeling any hype for Nocta right now. The hype we saw for Nocta in December and the hype now is definitely on a downward slope. So I'm really curious to see what the Drake camp and crew does to kind of bring Nocta more life back into it. It's kind of sad to say that already, low-key, because it's only been out for like 6-7 months now. But nonetheless, I am really excited for the Hot Step Nocta shoes. I'm really curious to see how those are in hand in person, so definitely stay tuned for that review. That is going to be a must. We've actually seen a few Nocta pieces go on sale. That is right, the online store Essence, I'm gonna link it down below and have a photo up on screen. They actually have the jacket, the vest, and the polar fleece, and I think it's small or extra small. They didn't really have much stock, but they do have it on sale. So if you guys want the jacket or the vest especially, they have a full size run. And I think it's like 34% off, which is very, very good. Free shipping from Essence. So shout out to them because they put the Nocta collection on sale. It's pretty low key. I actually ended up picking this Nocta fleece. I originally bought a medium, but it was just a little bit too big for me and I wasn't wearing it. So I wanted to get a small. So I did pick it up for $158 on Essence. So yeah, shout out to them. I could finally wear this fleece. Oh yeah, and also I feel like now that it's summertime, sweatsuits doesn't make that much sense right now. But anyways, back on track. Cardinal collection dropping May 20th, 2 days from now. Let me know what pieces in the collection you guys want down below. And while I have you guys here right now, we gotta talk about OVO, man. Not doing a very good job this year. It's been 5 months now and I have bought in one thing. I don't know about you guys, I don't know if it's just me, but I have not been feeling OVO at all this year. The design, the marketing, the promotion, in my opinion, just hasn't been there for OVO this year. But again, I'm hoping they come together and they push out some heat drops for us and for the community. So if anyone at OVO is watching this, hit my DMs. Let's get to work. Anyways, that's gonna do it for today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy. Like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Peace.